Good morning, class. Welcome to your cardboard relief lesson overview. This video will discuss your learning goals, essential question, and vocabulary as they apply to the unit. So the first thing we're going to do in this unit is we'll explore and scrutinize examples of repurposed art by contemporary artists in both our culture and other cultures. So we're looking at current artists who are alive today who are making these artworks using recycled materials, both in our culture and others. Then we're going to utilize techniques of collecting pre-used materials that are ecologically responsible. And lastly, we're going to manipulate pre-used cardboard to create a cardboard relief. You'll be creating a cardboard relief that is at least 3 layers high by measuring, cutting, and stacking different layers of cardboard. Your essential question is, how do recycled materials play an important role in today's world? And how does this apply to art? We'll be discussing that in the coming days. And the vocabulary words below are recycled art, sculpture, found object, transformation, relief, positive space, negative space, and texture. All of these words apply directly to your project and are important to think about while actually producing the project itself. And then as far as your summative assessment, I'm going to be grading you in the same way that I always do, where I grade you based on 100 points for your final product for your art production. Then your learning log, which is out of 28 points. And then the critique, we don't always do them, but we might do it for this project. And lastly, your daily entrance tickets, your daily questions that relate to your vocabulary words and your understanding of the project. So that is it for your overview. I will be talking to you in the next video to discuss the lesson directions and how I am actually going to break down the final grading of your project. So I will talk to you all soon, and please watch that video before you begin the day 1 folder. All right, talk to you all soon. Bye.